Welcome families and future explorers to learning more about fraternity and sorority life. Hi, my name is Bridget Conaway and I'm the coordinator for fraternity and sorority life and leadership programs here at LaSalle. Today I'll take you through to learn a little bit more about our campus and chapters. Ultimately, we'll be covering the pillars of fraternity and sorority life, chapters available on campus, and recruitment and events. First are the pillars of fraternity and sorority life. The first pillar is academic achievement. Since academics are our number one priority here as college students, our community takes that seriously. We are happy to report that the all fraternity and sorority GPA is above the all campus average. Next is member development. Development as a member of your organization will span across your collegiate years. Our students promote learning and development across prevalent issues in the fraternity and sorority community, including but not limited to hazing prevention, alcohol and other drugs education, women's wellness, and mental health each year. Further, a core value of the LaSallian education is service rooted in solidarity and justice. Each of our organizations hosts a philanthropy and service event related to improving the community both within, surrounding, and beyond LaSalle University. And last but not least, brotherhood and sisterhood. This pillar is at the core of each of the fraternity and sororities. These organizations seek to create an inclusive and welcoming environment where students are able to bond with one another, create lasting memories, and establish their home away from home. Here are the organizations that we have available to join at LaSalle. The Panhellenic Council hosts our women's identified organizations, the Interfraternity Council hosts our men's identified groups, and the National Panhellenic Council, otherwise known as NPHC or the Divine Nine, are host to our historically Black men's and women's organizations. A citywide chapter noted indicates that the organization is part of a chapter that has multiple campuses, which means that members would include students from other Philadelphia area universities. It's important to note that LaSalle is a deferred recruitment campus. This means that first-year students will be unable to join a Greek organization until they have a minimum 12 credits and 2.5 cumulative GPA. Each fraternity and sorority will recruit new members to join their organization. However, the process does differ depending upon the council. The Panhellenic Council hosts their formal recruitment in the spring. The Interfraternity Council hosts a Meet the Brothers each semester, as well as the National Panhellenic Council hosts a Black Greek 101 each semester. It's highly recommended that you reach out to those organizations individually if you're interested. If you're interested in joining or learning more about any of the fraternity or sororities available, I highly recommend checking out all the groups at the Fall Activities Fair, Meet the Greeks in September, and on Presence. If you're interested in finding our organizations on Presence, going to Presence at LaSalle, you'll see all of the groups available by filtering the categories to Greek life. By clicking on one, for example, Find Mu, you'll see not only their contact information, the about their organization, but also their social media platforms. It's highly recommended that you follow the organizations or their social media platforms. For instance, this is Delta Sig's Instagram. Here you'll see what the brothers are up to, upcoming recruitment events, and how you can get involved too. Thanks for learning a little bit more about our organizations. If you have any further questions, I can be reached at greeklife@lasalle.edu. But otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you at Meet the Greeks in September.